Hello everybody, welcome to the Svanoe English Vocabulary School. It's Friday, December 20th. Show number 595. Please write this in your notebook. Here are the two words that we will learn today. The first one is not a person and it's not a thing. The second one means to purchase something, when you give somebody money and they give you something. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The animal is happy. The animal is happy. Please write this in your notebook. Animal. For example, correct. Squirrel. Now let's make a flashcard for animal. Please write animal up here in the top left corner, A-N-I-M-A-L. Down here, the category, N1, reg, R-E-G. This means noun, level 1. And over here, the number 6 out of 200. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Here it is. An, it, mole, animal. Do you like animals? Tell me which ones you like in the comment section. Now let's learn word number 2 for today. Please listen and write this in your notebook. I will buy an apple. I will buy an apple. Buy. B-U-Y. You will go to a shop. You will give someone money and they will give you an apple. Buy is an irregular verb, so you must learn the 3 forms. Please write these in your notebook and on your card. Please repeat. Buy, bought, bought. Now let's make a flashcard for the basic form is to buy something. Please write that up here. And you must learn the 2 past tenses. Bought, bought. Just like go, went, gone. And down here in the bottom left corner, the category IV1. This means irregular verb, level 1. And over here in this corner, the number 1 out of 40. Here is the IPA. Can you say it? Very good. Buy. The red part sounds like I. Buy. Please write that on your card up here in the top right corner. Class is over. Today we learned, very good, animal. Like cats and dogs. And the second one? To buy something, yes, with money. And before we go, if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The first one is something that a guitar player or a singer puts out that people buy. The second one is a person, a man or a woman, in a movie or a TV show. And the last one means to say something officially. See you tomorrow, everybody. Bye-bye. And if you are a new student, welcome to the Svanoe English Vocabulary School. This is the best place to learn vocabulary. We learn 2 words every day, and we write them on paper flashcards and remember them forever. This is a complete 2-year course. We learn 2 words every day until December 25th. And we will begin again January 1st. You can learn English here. You only need a notebook, a pen, and flashcards. That's it, nothing else. We have a rotating schedule, so you can join anytime. You join, you study for 2 years, and then it's graduation time. Please learn these. We use these very much in our program. And please write your language on the other side of the card and remember it forever. You can find a speaking partner in our program with this hashtag. My name is Vinny. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.